The key word that lets you feel happiness is gratitude. However, the meaning of this word may not mean as much to you as it does to someone else. To be thankful or not feel gratitude is not a special thing. We should be thankful for the existence of this world. Also, it is because we have this word that has helped many people express gratitude. To put it simply, that is what it is. Now, I would like to talk about the people and the time I spend with AUAB and the people who are most close to me. First, I would like to talk about my family. My family consists of my mother, two brothers, and me. I think it was very difficult for my mother to raise all three of us. When I was a junior in high school, my father passed away. I was told this news during class. It was very sudden and surprising news. Even now, it is very hard to believe what happened at that time. I feel a lot of gratitude towards my father, since he always worked non-stop for our family. I regret not being able to develop a stronger relationship with my father. Ever since losing my father, I decided to help my mother with whatever I could from then on. So I did the things that I could to help my family. For example, I helped out with chores such as doing the dishes or the laundry. Also, since my mother is self-employed, I was able to help out with her work sometimes. I wanted to lessen her workload as much as possible. I am very grateful to my mother. She always goes through blood, sweat and tears and works hard for our family. Sometimes she works hard without sparing any time for sleep. It is thanks to my mother that I am able to participate in this study abroad trip. I can't thank my mother enough. I want to thank her for raising me to be the healthy person I am today. I am the most thankful to my mother and my family. I will continue to think fondly of them. Since coming to America, I have been able to feel more appreciative of people. When I came to America, I was not feeling too well. The day after my travel, I talked to Alisa for some advice. At that time, I was surprised that Alisa was able to speak Japanese. Since Alisa was busy with some work, I went with Mizue to the health center. She too was busy with work and classes, but despite that she helped me out and took me to the health center out of her own time. Furthermore, during my interview with Bill, when I told him about my profiles, he also showed care and worry. In addition, my group members were also worried about me. As soon as I came to America, I traveled a lot of people, but it is thanks to all the people who helped me that I am still healthy today. I am very grateful. I would like to thank all the friends who helped me. Since coming to America, I have been able to meet a lot of friends, a lot of people. I have also been able to make many friends. I am happy having been able to make these friends. I have spent my time here with friends who have helped me along the way. Since coming to America, I have been able to feel happiness from even the most troubled things. Sometimes there were friends who I bothered and friends who gladly helped me. Sometimes I have come to understand my friends who have been in the same situation as me. Sometimes we laugh together at the silly things. Sometimes there are days when we have class and I would go wake my friends up in time for class. Always, there are friends who are with me. Each one of them are very important to me. Also, the time that I have spent with my friends is my happiness. Of course, I am very thankful to my American friends as well. I was worried about whether people would understand my English when I first came to America, but I can still remember all the people who have kindly helped me. The people here in America are so kind. That's why I love America. I am thankful to all the encounters and all the things I've experienced here. No one knows what is going to happen in the future. So always go without regrets and let's continue to be thankful. Lastly, I am thankful to everyone who has listened to my speech. Thank you for listening. Thank you so much, everyone.